Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of occurrence. An incident or event. For example, vandalism used to be a rare occurrence. American pronunciation. Occurrence. Occurrence. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Occurrence. Say. Occurrence. Occurrence means incident or event. Occurrence. Occurrence. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Conflicts between people are common, normal occurrences. Now, repeat after me. Conflicts between people are common, normal occurrences. The second practice. Second, we need to document unusual occurrences. Now, repeat after me. Second, we need to document unusual occurrences.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.